Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to turn off floating notification on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Ultimately, it comes down to personal preference. Some people simply prefer a cleaner and less cluttered user interface without floating notifications. Okay, and then how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First of all, open Play Settings menu on your device. Well, after that, here you can select Notifications. And then you can scroll down. After that, in this page, you can select Advanced Settings. Okay, and then now you can select Floating Notifications. And then you can turn it off by selecting the first option here. Okay. So, now you won't receive any floating notifications anymore on your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off floating notifications on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you!